How to create group chat on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open the TikTok app on your device. Now tap on the inbox option at the bottom of your screen. From here, tap on the plus icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now, as you can see, you can create a new chat from here. Simply select the members that you want to add on your group chat. And at the bottom, you have the option to start a group chat. So tap on that option. Once you do that, a new group chat has been created. So now you can send a message here. Now, if you want to name your group, you simply want to tap on the three dots. And from here, you can tap on Add Group Name option. Now here you also have some other group settings, so you can manage that. You can choose to leave group or end group chat. You also have the option to add members or also to remove the members in this way. Now tap on Done. And this is how you can create a group chat on TikTok. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.